Good morning, all of you. Students, we have completed the chapter Structure and Function of Living Things, Animals. We discussed different system in this chapter. Now today I am going to explain the exercises of the chapter. As usual, exercise A is fill in the blanks. Number 1, the process of breaking down of food into fine and soluble particles is called, it is known as digestion, as you know. So we'll fill digestion in first blank. Second one, blood vessels that carry blood from organs to heart are called, they are known as veins. So we'll fill veins in this blank. The nervous system consists of billions of nerve cells. We will fill nerve cells in question number 3 is blank. In 4, the dash portion of the brain controls the left part of the body. As you know that the right portion of the brain controls the left part of the body, so we will fill right in the blank. Kidneys are dash shaped organs. All of you know that kidneys are bean shaped organs, so we will fill bean in this blank. The skin removes water and excessive salt in the form of sweat, so we will fill sweat in the blank. Seventh, the male reproductive organ system has a pair of testes. So we will write testes in the blank of question number 7. In exercise B, we have to write true or false for the given statements. Number 1 is large intestine is responsible for the digestion and absorption of food. This is false, because in large intestine there is absorption of extra water only. Number 2, pharynx is also called as the voice box. No, larynx is called as the voice box, so this statement is wrong. We will write false in the box. Blood helps in maintaining our body temperature at a constant value. This is correct, because blood maintain the body temperature of all the human beings. So we will write true in this box. The blood vessels which take blood away from the heart to various parts of the body are called arteries. The blood vessels which take blood away from the heart, it is known as arteries. So we will write true here. Kidneys filter out waste products from the blood. Yes, this is correct. So we will write true in the box. In exercise C, we have to take the correct option. The first one is bile is secreted by the, all of you know that bile is secreted by the liver. So option number 3, liver is correct. The food taken in by the humans stays for about 2 to 3 hours in the stomach. The first option, stomach, is correct. The tube-like structure attached to the brain is known as, it is known as spinal cord. So we'll write spinal cord in this. We will take the spinal cord for this statement. The organ in the human body which filters out waste products such as urea from the blood is the kidneys. So first option, kidneys, are correct. Ovaries are a part of the reproductive system. So first option, reproductive system, is correct. Now exercise D, in which we have to answer the given questions in brief. Question number 1 is, how many teeth are present in a 4-month-old child's mouth? As you know that the milk teeth appears after 6 months of the child. So there is no teeth present in 4 months old child's mouth. Second is, where is saliva produced? Saliva is produced in salivary glands which are present in our mouth. Saliva is produced in salivary glands which are present in our mouth. Third one is, define respiration. Respiration is the process of taking in oxygen and release of carbon dioxide from our body, and during this process energy is released from the digested food. Question number 4, name the flap that shuts off the windpipe when you swallow food. The flap that shuts off the windpipe when we swallow our food is the epiglottis. The name of the flap is epiglottis. In question number 5, how many types of vessels are found in the circulatory system of human being? There are three types of vessels which are found in circulatory system of human beings. They are arteries, veins and capillaries. Question number 6. List down the main organs of the nervous system. The main organs of the nervous system are brain, spinal cord, nerves and sense organs. Now question number 7. Name the structure that protects the spinal cord. The structure that protects the spinal cord is the vertebral column. The structure that protects the spinal cord is the vertebral column. Now question number 8. Name the process of fusion of an egg with a sperm. The process of fusion of an egg with a sperm is known as fertilization. The process of fusion of an egg with a sperm is known as fertilization. So students, we have completed exercise A, B, C and D. We will discuss the answers of questions of exercise E in the next class. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.